everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing a nice Shaklee box. Here, I already took this out, but right here, strawberry Shaklee shake. These are awesome. And then some SPF 30 sunscreen. Perfect for going to the pool in summertime. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, some nice Nature Bite. You know what this is? This is laundry detergent. Really, really good for your clothes. I always wear it. My clothes smell fresh and clean. What do we have here? We have Nutriferon. Powerful breakthrough in immune science that helps maintain healthy immune function. Cool. Nutriferon. Pretty sure Mom takes that. Really, really good for you, Nutriferon. And then obviously, here we got our nice shampoo that gives me these luscious locks. Next up, get out of the box. Here we have Vitalizer Gold. Pretty sure these are my mom's multivitamins. Those little like strips, I'm pretty sure.
I'll take those, thank you.
Mommy likes those. Here we have our awesome bar soap. Good, very, very good.
Daddy's soap.
Yeah, Daddy's soap. Ooh, Vipix. This is very, very healthy for you. My mom takes it basically every single day.
Thank you.
Very good for you.
Also really important.
Here we have Nourish Body Lotion in one of these clean new bottles. I like this design. I prefer this over the old design.
Thank you.
Thank God that cup did not spill. And here we go. We have some conditioner here. This also is a part of my nice luscious locks. Little flip conditioner. Flip the conditioner. And now, last but not least, we have this Youth. Mom likes that stuff. She puts it on every single day.
Yes.
Here, Mom, why don't I open the box and show you? Daytime. Nice cream. I'll actually show you how to put it on right now. Right now. Yeah, you're getting a nice clean. So
how does it smell?
Perfect. So you can just take a little bit. That's good. Put it out there, rub it in.
Feels nice, right?
Makes your skin nice and moisturized. No dry skin. And for Mom, makes her look a little younger.
Oh, thank you.
There you have it, folks. Shaklee unboxing.
Woo woo.
Have a nice day.